Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back again to my another weekly b-boy tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the suicide coin drop. And like always, before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. Few things that you need to get it done first before we try out this suicide coin drop. The first one is you need to be able to do the basic coin drop. If you ever learn it, don't worry because I already did the tutorial. I'm gonna put the link on the description below. The second thing is the preparation. You want to get yourself a jacket like what I did here because you're gonna scarf a lot on your back, so you want to protect that from injury. And then for the headgear, it's optional. If you have it, that's good. If you don't, then don't worry about it. For the mat, here's the thing. For the mat, it's good if you have it because it's gonna reduce the pain, alright, because you're gonna start doing the crash. But actually a lot of people didn't know that when you do a crash in b-boy, actually it doesn't hurt at all. But when you start learning this, you know, you're gonna did something wrong or an error, so that you're gonna fall a bit here and there. It's fine, but I don't see any problem if you don't have the mat, because when I start learning this suicide coin drop, I didn't use the mat also. Okay, so if you have it, then it's good. If you don't, then it's fine. Okay, the first one, I'm gonna start from the basic coin drop. Okay, so here we go. Right hand down. When you're going down from the coin drop to the back spin, there's a few ways you can put your leg in, alright? I'll show you guys a few. Now the first one is like you're doing munch meal. So when you're doing munch meal, when you're going down, your leg will be looking like this. Alright, so my left leg is in front of my right leg, and then from here you can kick and turn, then crash. Now for the second one, is more straight to the point. You just put your leg in, okay? Doesn't have to cross or anything. Alright, and then you can kick. You can see when you start to do the basic coin drop, you want to get into the positions where you kind of do the back spin. Alright, that's where you want to get into it. And then from there, you're gonna kind of pull both your legs inward. The reason to pull both our legs inward is we want to prepare ourselves to the crash. Alright, but pulling our legs is another thing. The other thing that you need to take note of is while you're doing the basic coin drop to the back spin, you want to land high. Alright, like always in b-boying, you always want to lay high on your back. Okay, do not land here. It's wrong, totally wrong. You want to land here. Land high, kick, and then turn, and then it will take you to land it high also on your back. Alright, keep that in mind, it's really important. Okay, so enough with the talk. Let's try what I said just now, and then let's see how the result goes. Alright, here we go. Alright, so that's just how the suicide coin drop looks like. And now a few tips for you guys, okay? When you're landing, and when you see me landing, you can see that I always keep my head up. Alright, do not landing and then keep your head low like this, because you know that's the dangerous part. You don't want to hit the back of your head on the ground. Okay, it's very dangerous. So always keep your head up like this when you're landing. Alright, that's the first one. Now the second one, when you land, open up your body. Alright, don't be scared or closing out your body. Just open up and let it crash. First few times, you'll be a bit, I just to be honest with you guys, you can feel a bit pain, but it's okay because you're not get used to it. But when you do it over and over again, it just will be more and more easy. And then the third tips, when you go to coin drop, do not go to the backspin mode for too long. Alright, you don't want to do that. When you go into the backspin from your coin drop, then you can start crossing your leg, put it in, and then kick. Again, we repeat 3 tips. The first one is very crucial. When you crash, keep your head high. Alright, Don't put it down because you don't want to hit the back of your head to the ground. The first one, alright? That's the first one and the most crucial one. The second one is when you crash, open up your body. Do not close it. Alright, just open up and let it crash. Great. Now the third one, I will emphasize this a lot more because when doing coin drop, left on your back, kind of go to the back spin mode and then kick. Alright, immediately kick. Don't do it too fast, but don't do it too long as well. Alright, you will get the idea on when to kick, and then you're gonna crash. Alright, don't go to the back spin and then you kick because you already lost the momentum. Alright, so you can do that when you already master the whole thing, and then you can create your own variation. But for now, go into coin drop and then kick. Alright, kick and crash. So that's about it, Suicide Coindrop tutorial. I know there's a lot of talk in here because this is how it is. Alright, this move is quite simple actually because you're just gonna go to coin drop, kick and crash. But a lot of things that you need to be aware of, such as the head, you know, how you fall and all this kind of stuff. Okay, so make sure you follow all the tips that I told you guys. And that's about it. Subscribe, let this video get thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and let's take this channel to the 100,000 subscribers. And that's about it. I will see you guys next time.